In this video, let me show you how to open a Standard Chartered Online Singapore. So if you try to create a bank online for Standard Chartered, all you want to do is download the application of Standard Chartered Singapore onto your device and then simply head over to the Open a Bank Account option that you would be able to see. Now, depending upon what type of account that you want to create, you can see all of the information that is being displayed and all of the different types of accounts available on the top as well. So simply pick the option or the account that you're trying to create. Once you tap on the apply now option, it is going to take you to a new portal within a web browser, and it will ask you depending upon what you have. If you have the sync pass option already available, you can simply tap on apply with now info so that you do not need to manually fill in your information. But however, if you're not a resident of Singapore and a foreigner, you need to manually enter in your information such as your passport or your employment pass as well. So make sure that you have all of the details with you. If you're just trying to create an online banking account, you can also do that by heading over to the login section and then sign up for the online banking. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.